Manifestors are the pioneers of the human design world, gifted with the power to initiate, create, and set things into motion. Unlike other types, manifestors are designed to act independently and forge their own path, often launching ideas, projects, or movements that others may follow. Their energy is catalytic. They have the unique ability to spark action, influence change, and move quickly from vision to reality. As independent creators, manifestors thrive when they honor their need for freedom and autonomy. They do best when they listen to their inner authority, act decisively, and communicate their intentions to those affected by their actions. When aligned, manifestors can inspire and lead effortlessly, turning innovative ideas into transformative outcomes. Their strength lies not only in initiating, but in creating momentum that others can join, leaving a trail of progress and possibility in their wake. Manifestors are here to make things happen. They are the visionaries and independent creators who have the rare ability to bring entirely new ideas, projects, or movements into existence. Unlike other types, manifestors do not need external validation to act. They are naturally equipped to initiate and move boldly in the direction of their vision. Their energy is catalytic, capable of sparking action not only within themselves, but also inspiring those around them. This makes manifestors natural leaders, as their decisiveness, confidence, and clarity of purpose often motivate others to follow their lead. When aligned with their true purpose, manifestors radiate a magnetic presence, blending creativity, power, and authority. They can turn ideas into reality with remarkable efficiency, breaking new ground and creating momentum where there was none before. Their greatest strength lies in their ability to act independently while influencing and shaping the environment around them, leaving a lasting impact wherever they focus their energy. Manifestors, with their powerful ability to initiate and create, often encounter resistance from those around them. Their independent, pioneering energy can be unsettling to people who are not accustomed to such directness or speed, leading to misunderstandings, pushback, or even conflict. This resistance can be frustrating for manifestors, especially when they are simply acting in alignment with their vision and purpose. Another challenge lies in their natural energy rhythm. Manifestors are designed for bursts of intense, catalytic energy, followed by periods of rest and recharge. This inconsistent energy flow can sometimes be misinterpreted by themselves or others as unpredictability or unreliability. If manifestors ignore the need to honor these cycles, they risk burnout, both physically and emotionally, from pushing too hard or trying to maintain constant productivity. Balancing independence with strategic communication, learning to anticipate and navigate resistance, and respecting their own energy cycles are crucial for manifestors. By managing these challenges effectively, they can maintain their vitality, act decisively without depletion, and continue to turn their visionary ideas into tangible results while avoiding frustration and exhaustion. Now, we are about to explore how manifestors align their energy flow to attract abundance into their lives. By understanding their natural cycles, trusting their inner guidance, and acting with clarity, manifestors can harness their powerful, catalytic energy. When aligned, this energy naturally draws opportunities, resources, and support, turning ideas and inspiration into tangible abundance. Manifestors are designed to act, initiate, and bring new ideas into the world. Their energy is catalytic, capable of setting things in motion and creating momentum where none existed before. When they tap into this power and take action without waiting for external approval or validation, they open the door for abundance to flow in unexpected and often remarkable ways. Whether it's starting a business, launching a groundbreaking project, or creating something that inspires and influences others, manifestors naturally attract the resources, support, and opportunities they need when they act from a place of inner authority. Their decisive energy and clarity of purpose send a signal to the universe that they are ready to lead, and this alignment often draws collaborators, ideas, and means to bring their vision to life. Abundance for manifestors is not always linear. It can appear in surprising forms and at unexpected times. By trusting their instincts, acting boldly, and honoring their independent nature, manifestors create a ripple effect. Their actions ignite energy, attract momentum, and manifest opportunities that align with their vision. In essence, when manifestors step fully into their initiating power, they become magnets for the resources and circumstances needed to turn ideas into reality. Manifestors experience their most creative and abundant moments when they pay close attention to their inner urges and impulses. These flashes of inspiration are more than just fleeting thoughts. They are powerful signals from their inner authority, guiding them toward actions that are aligned with their purpose and highest potential. By trusting these urges, manifestors can determine what projects, relationships, or creative endeavors are worth initiating, ensuring their energy is invested in the most impactful ways. These bursts of inspiration often come suddenly and with a sense of urgency, calling manifestors to act decisively. When they respond to these inner prompts, they tap into a catalytic energy that not only propels them forward, but also attracts the resources, support, and opportunities needed to bring their vision to life. Ignoring or suppressing these urges can lead to frustration, stagnation, or missed opportunities, while following them allows manifestors to experience flow, momentum, and a sense of effortless creation. Ultimately, abundance for manifestors is intimately tied to their ability to listen to and honor their inner guidance. Each inspired action becomes a spark that sets larger processes in motion, creating a ripple effect of success, influence, and fulfillment in both their personal and professional lives. While manifestors are uniquely designed to initiate and act independently without waiting for permission, their powerful energy can sometimes create friction or resistance from others. People may feel unsettled or caught off guard by the manifestor's decisive actions, not understanding the vision or intent behind them. This is where the practice of informing becomes a valuable tool. Informing doesn't mean asking for approval. It's simply sharing their plans, intentions, or next steps with those who may be affected. By communicating openly and clearly, manifestors reduce misunderstandings, ease tension, and create smoother pathways for their ideas to take root. When they inform others, they invite collaboration and support without compromising their autonomy, allowing their initiatives to progress with less resistance. This practice enhances their natural ability to attract abundance and opportunities. When people understand the manifestor's vision, they are more likely to offer resources, guidance, or encouragement, amplifying the manifestor's impact. In essence, informing is a strategic way to honor both their independent nature and the social environment around them, enabling manifestors to move boldly, create effectively, and manifest their goals with greater ease and harmony. Manifestors operate in natural cycles of intense bursts of energy, followed by periods of rest and recuperation. Their strength lies in the ability to initiate and create quickly and decisively, but this high-powered energy cannot be sustained continuously without consequences. Ignoring their need for downtime can lead to physical exhaustion, mental fatigue, and emotional burnout, which not only diminishes their effectiveness, but can also block the flow of abundance in their lives. By consciously honoring these cycles, manifestors allow themselves to recharge fully, restoring clarity, focus, and creative inspiration. Rest is not a pause from productivity. It is an essential component of their process, enabling them to maintain their catalytic energy and act from a place of alignment rather than depletion. When they balance action with rest, manifestors can manifest abundance more smoothly and consistently, attracting opportunities, resources, and support with their renewed vitality. In essence, respecting their natural energy rhythms allows manifestors to sustain their power, create with ease, and amplify their influence in the world without burning out. Manifestors are naturally designed to initiate and create, and one of their most powerful tools is trust. Trusting that the universe will provide the support, opportunities, and resources they need. When they act from a place of clarity and alignment with their inner guidance, they set powerful energy in motion that attracts exactly what is required to bring their vision to life. This does not mean they must control every outcome or force results. Rather, by trusting the process, manifestors allow the natural flow of life to deliver the right people, timing, and resources. Acting with intention and authority creates momentum, and often abundance appears in ways that are unexpected, yet perfectly aligned with their goals. By combining decisive action with patience and trust, manifestors amplify their influence, turning ideas into reality while maintaining balance and energy. Ultimately, abundance for manifestors is a co-creative process. The universe responds to their clarity, initiative, and boldness, presenting opportunities, relationships, and resources that support their purpose. When they trust this flow, they not only achieve their goals more effortlessly, but also experience the satisfaction and fulfillment that comes from living in alignment with their true self. Manifestors thrive when they innovate and bring something entirely new into the world. Their energy is naturally designed to initiate, disrupt, and create momentum, making them powerful catalysts of change. Whether it's developing a groundbreaking product, offering a unique service, or introducing a fresh perspective or way of thinking, manifestors channel their creative energy into tangible impact. By stepping into their role as initiators, manifestors manifest abundance not only for themselves, but often for those around them. Their actions set processes in motion, inspiring others and attracting the resources, support, and opportunities needed to bring their vision to life. Innovation becomes both their vehicle and their magnet. The act of creating opens doors, draws collaborators, and generates momentum that sustains further growth. Ultimately, abundance flows naturally for manifestors when they embrace their role as independent creators and catalysts. By trusting their vision, acting decisively, and innovating boldly, they turn ideas into reality, leaving a trail of transformation, progress, and opportunity wherever their energy is applied.